In ancient Igbo culture, justice wasn't just about rules or kings, it was woven into the spirit world. Meet Udo, the god of justice, peace, and reconciliation. Not as loud as Amadioha, who brings thunder, but way more mysterious. Udo works silently through the eagle, Egbe, watching from above, swift and precise. Picture this. Two villagers clash over land. Instead of a courtroom, they head to Udo's shrine. The air is tense. Everyone knows what happens here isn't just talk. It's real. The accused stands before the priest, clutching a kola nut and declaring, Egbe m puo nala, my eagle has flown to the land. It's a spiritual contract. If you lie, Udo's eagle doesn't miss. Illness, shame, even death could follow. But if you're honest, you walk away, cleared by the gods themselves. There are stories, chilling ones, of liars who dared to swear by Udo, only to meet sudden, mysterious ends. Ọnwụ Udo, Udo's death, became a warning. The truth will always catch up with you. Today the rituals have faded, but the saying, Egbe m puo nala, still carries weight. Some elders whisper Udo's name in secret, and masquerades like Ekpe and Okanko keep his spirit alive. So, could a system like this work today? Drop your thoughts below. If you're curious about more African spiritual mysteries, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell. Catch you next time.